Morning students, this is class 10 science lesson light, reflection and refraction. Students, today we are going to study about formation of images by lenses. Like mirrors, there are also some simple rules about image formation by lenses. First is a ray of light passing through the optical center of a lens without deviation or without bending will pass. A ray of light which passes through the optical center. This is the optical center of the lens. See, this is the optical center of the lens, convex lens and concave lens. Any ray of light which will pass through this point will go undeviated. Then a ray of light traveling parallel to the principal axis. A ray of light, see, this is a ray of light which is passing parallel to the principal axis. After reflection will pass through the focus. A ray of light traveling parallel to the principal axis of a lens after reflection passes through the focus of a convex lens. In case of concave lens, it appears, see, this is concave lens, it appears to meet it. Parallel to the principal of axis, pass through the focus. Parallel to the principal axis, pass through the focus. They appear to meet. Then a ray of light that is incident to the focal point of a convex lens. Any ray of light, suppose this is the ray of light which is passing through the focus after refraction will go parallel to the principal axis. See, ray of light which is passing through the focus after reflection will go parallel to the principal axis. In both the mirrors, in concave it appears, and see, ray of light which is passing through the focus will go parallel to the principal axis. Now we'll study about image formation at different places when the object is placed at different places. First of all, at infinity. See, object at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. But with the help of this diagram, I have showed you the three rules. Focus will go parallel. If a ray of light is parallel, suppose the ray of light is coming from this side, after reflection, it will go through the focus. Center of curvature, undeviated. Now, when the object is placed at infinity, here in both the lenses, object is placed at infinity. Passing through the focus, after reflection, will go through parallel to the principal axis, after reflection will meet at focus. So, when the object it is infinity, image will formed at F2, focus. Image will be formed at focus, very small in size, real and inverted. The image will be small in size, it will be real and inverted. In case of concave mirror, parallel, after refraction, they will appear to meet. Again, image will be formed at F2. Very small in size, virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, why? Because we are bringing these ray backwards. So, object at infinity, image at focus. Small in both the cases, real and inverted in convex lens, and virtual and erect in concave lens. Now, away from focus, away from 2f1. Second situation is away from 2f1. This is f1, this is 2f1. Away from 2f1. Image formed will be between f2 and 2f2. Object is away from 2f1. Image formed will be between f2 and 2f2. Image is real. Real image is inverted and smaller in size. See, the size of the image is smaller than the object. Again, I am going to repeat. Object away from 2f2. Image will be formed between f2 and 2f2. Between second focus and 2f2. Smaller than the object. Size of the image is smaller than the object. It is real and inverted. We can say diminished also, but We can, over here we are saying it is smaller than the object. See the size of the object and the size of the image. It is diminished or smaller than the object. At 2f1. Now, the third position is at 2f1. See, object at 2f1, image at 2f2. Object at 2f1, image at 2f2. Nature of the image, it is real and inverted. See, this is real and inverted. Size, same size. See, a ray of light passing parallel. After refraction will pass through focus. Ray of light, optical center will go undeviated. Both are meeting at this point and the image is formed at 2f2. Object 2f1, image 2f2. Same size of the object, real and inverted. Now, next case is between 2f1 and f1. Between 2f1, see this is 2f1 and this is f1. Image object is placed between 2f1 and f1. Image formed will be beyond 2f2. Image formed will be beyond 2f2. See, you can see ray of light passing parallel. After refraction will pass through focus. Then again ray of light. Optical center will go undeviated. Ray of light through focus. Parallel, all rays are meeting over here. So, object between 2f1 and f1, image will be formed beyond 2f2 and image will be larger than the object. You can see object is small, image formed here is large. Image is larger than the object. It is real and inverted. It is real and inverted. Now, object is placed at focus. Object at focus. Ray of light passing parallel to the principal axis will pass through this focus. Center of curvature undeviated. Image will be formed at infinity. It is much larger than the object. Again, it is real and inverted. It is much larger than the object and real and inverted. Now, when the object is placed between f1 and optical center, see, this is f1 and this is optical center. This is the object. Object is placed between f1 and optical center. See, one ray of light parallel to the principal axis is passing through this when we are brought it back over here. So, optical center undeviated, this. The image formed is on the same side of the lens as the object. Object is placed over here, image will always be formed over here. It is very large than the object, virtual and erect. You can see the image, erect image. Followed. So, when the object is placed between focus and optical center, image formed will be on the same side of the lens and the image is virtual and erect. It is larger than the object. It is larger than the object. Now, in case of concave lens, but what will happen in case of concave lens? We have two positions. First, we have studied at infinity. See here. When the object is at infinity, image will be formed at focus. Very small in size, it is virtual and erect. Very small in size, it is virtual and erect. And another situation is any point between infinity and optical center. When the object is placed at any point, it may be placed at focus or 2f2, beyond 2f2, any point between infinity and optical center, image will be always formed between O and F. Image will always be formed between O and F, F2 and O, F2 and O, and it will always be smaller than the object, virtual and erect. So we can say that a concave lens always forms a virtual and erect image which is smaller than the object, which is always smaller than the object. Any position between infinity and optical center, image will be formed at F2, between O and F2, and it will always be smaller than the object. It will always be virtual and erect. So if we want to get a erect image, smaller image, we will use convex lens, and if we want to have different size image, we will use convex lens. So this was all about image formation by lenses. In our next class, we'll study about magnification and power of lens. I hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.